Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today we are looking at the Goat Story ARCO 2-in-1 grinder. It was launched in Kickstarter and Indiegogo. This is their first hand-cum-electric grinder. Can be used as a standalone hand grinder or attached to the electric dock. We have backed their project via Kickstarter, and so to say, this is a paid unit. We'll do an unboxing, detailed intro, how to connect the hand grinder to the electric dock, how to remove the burrs for cleaning or observation, and followed by a brief grinding demo with sound measuring tests. Now for the unboxing. User manual, axle lock tool to remove the inner burr for cleaning, ARCO hand grinder, crank handle set, magnetic catch cup. This catch cup is with a maximum capacity of 50 grams and fits 58 mm portafilter. According to the product specs, the catch cup material is of aluminum with plastic interior. When attaching the catch cup to the grinder, do make sure this indicator is in line okay, both are in line and not this way or this way. It should be this way, it's in line. The crank handle set material is of steel with plastic knob. The total weight is about 850 grams. The ARCO has a grind setting ring and can be rotated by 4 full rounds. Each complete round is 60 clicks. Each click shifts the grind size by 3 microns and has a total of 240 grind settings. This is the 0 point mark, and the vertical scale and the vertical scale from 0 to 3. On our unit, we have discovered that it has a total of 235 grind settings instead of the stated 240 settings. This is the electric dock. On-off switch, single dose bin loader, with a capacity of 50 grams, and this is the dock attachment mark. How to attach or detach the hand grinder to the dock. There is a white line on the hand grinder. Push up with the white line on the hand grinder halfway into this groove. Turn clockwise until both lines on the hand grinder and the dock are aligned. Or the white line on the hand grinder beyond the dock attachment line. To remove, simply turn anti-clockwise. That's it. Now for the burr removal guide. I personally prefer to set the grind settings to 0 point before proceeding. Align the nut to either one of the 3 holes in the grinder body. Use the axle lock tool provided and insert into the smallest hole on the nut. Make sure the axle lock tool is fully inserted. Do double check by turning the central shaft to make sure it is locked. Attach the crank handle set and turn anti-clockwise until the shaft drops down. Both the inner and outer conical burr is of nitrided steel. Inner conical burr is 32 mm and the outer burr is 47 mm. To assemble, insert the inner conical burr into the shaft, making sure one of the holes sit on the lock burr pin. Insert the spacer followed by the spring. Next, insert the shaft with all the parts back gently. To make sure that the axle lock 2 is fully inserted and the nut is properly aligned. Next, attach the grind handle and turn clockwise until you feel a resistance. Do note, just a light tightening will do and never over tighten. Right. And also remove the axle lock 2. Done. Now our observation. This silicone grip tends to move easily when attaching the hand grinder to the electric dock. Hopefully, Goat Story will improve this silicone grip to have a better, tighter grip. Secondly, we have noticed an error for the grind size chart for filter printed in the user manual. The printed guide underneath the cash card stated 130 to 20, while else in the manual stated 120 to 60. Thirdly, according to Goat Story, the purpose of this black plastic ring is to prevent coffee grounds from coming into contact with the magnets. That holds the catch cup. In a way, acts as a shoe. Now for the performance test. Grind time test, retention test, and sound measurement. Before we proceed with the test, let's measure the sound without any beans grinding for reference. First test will be for filter grinding. Grind settings will be at 120, 20 grams of coffee beans, medium roasted. Remove the cash cup and put it on to the scale. Tare it. Attach the cash cup back to the grinder. I have prepared in advance 20 grams of coffee beans. Open up the cover. Pour into the beans loader. Close the cover. Turn on the grinder and at the same time start the timer. That's about 17 seconds. Tap the hand grinder body so as to cause any loose coffee grounds to fall into the catch cup. Now for the summary. I like the small footprints, I like the modern design, can be a hand grinder or electric grinder, which is brilliant, high build quality. Overall, I'm super impressed. If you have the ARCO 2-in-1 grinder, how's your experience so far? Do you have any feedbacks or thoughts to share? Feel free to share your comments down below. And thank you so much for watching and take good care.